Welcome to the video introduction to Life Cycle Assessment LCA and Life Cycle Costing LCC. In this lesson, we will delve into the basics of these two methodologies designed to evaluate the environmental impact and financial costs of products throughout their life cycle. By understanding LCA and LCC, we can make more informed decisions that reduce environmental harm and optimize costs, leading to more sustainable and economically sound practices. LCA is a tool for quantifying the environmental performance of products, taking into account the complete life cycle, starting from the extraction of raw materials to the final disposal of the products, including material recycling if needed. The most important applications for an LCA are identification of improvement opportunities by recognizing environmental hotspots in the life cycle of a project. Analysis of the contribution of the life cycle stages to the overall environmental load, usually to prioritize improvements on products or processes. Comparison between products for internal or external communication and as a basis for environmental product declarations. The basis for standardized metrics and the identification of key performance indicators used in companies for life cycle management and decision support. LCA is a methodology used by scientists, policymakers, and business leaders to set sustainability goals. It is often used in combination with other well-known tools like material flow analysis, MFA. The ISO standards describe the principles and full framework for conducting an LCA. The assessment is broken down into the following 4 phases. The first one is the goal and scope definition. The second one is life cycle inventory analysis, LCI. Third one is the life cycle impact assessment, LCIA, and the last one, the interpretation. The leading standards for LCA are ISO 14040 Principles and Framework and ISO 14044 Requirements and Guidelines. ISO 14040 considers the principles and framework for an LCA, while ISO 14044 specifies the requirements and guidelines for carrying out an LCA study. LCC is an assessment of all costs related to a product or service over the entire life cycle from production over use until disposal. LCC has a long tradition in the industry, especially for those products that have a long lifetime and or high maintenance, use or disposal costs. Motivation in these cases comes from both the user and the producer of these products. For the user, the purchase price is only a small share of all costs the product will have, and the overall costs are therefore more important for the decision to buy. For the producer, life cycle costs are a way to demonstrate that more effort for the production pays off by reduced use or maintenance costs or disposal costs. In combination with a life cycle assessment that investigates the environmental impact of a product or service, LCC can serve to address the economic dimension of sustainability. Further, LCC, together with LCA, is part of many eco-efficiency approaches. The life cycle costing, goal and scope, system boundaries, the object of study, allocation, impact assessment, and other aspects need to be specified and aligned with a decision taken within the life cycle assessment process in order to obtain an overall consistent analysis. By understanding and applying LCA and LCC, we can make more informed decisions that support both environmental, sustainability, and economic efficiency.